What attracted you to move into this sector? Because obviously you were working in hospitality previously.
I had only been volunteering for a couple of months, it hadn't been long, but it was one of those situations of I always knew I wanted to do something like that.
Yeah, and I feel like Thrive provided opportunity for me to grow and provided a safe place where I feel like I can, ask for what I need in terms of my professional development.
There was opportunities to learn, there was opportunity for courses to go on.
I really like being a part of making a positive change in people's lives. If you're passionate about change, about making a change, this sector will support you to get the experience, to get the knowledge that you need.
It is challenging, but there's not a day that I don't come home and go, okay, that was hard, but at least it meant something. I was doing something good, which wasn't something I was getting in the coffee shops. Not the same.